Hello and welcome to E-Prime this evening. I am Daedran. The virtual staging of Reggae Month 2021 kicks off this weekend, and anticipation is high for the special tribute concert on Jaria Reggae Wednesdays called Tribute to the Greats. The concert will see a stellar lineup of performers led by Dean Fraser and the All-Star Band, Serena Constantine, Droop Lion, Pam Hall, Dubwise and Casanova as they pay tribute to reggae stalwarts Toots Hibbert, Keith Bob Andy Anderson, Edward O'Sullivan, Bunny Lee, Yvonne Sterling, Frederick Tipper Moncrief, Millie Small, and others. The month-long celebration will see symposiums, the first ever Reggae Open University Forum, Children of the Icons concert series, and a masterclass for entertainment industry practitioners. This year's staging of Reggae Month, Come Catch the Rhythm virtually, is in keeping with the island's COVID-19 protocols. Now, dancehall artist Tifa is venturing into entrepreneurship as plans are now in place for her to open her first restaurant in Florida. Tifa made the announcement this week on her Instagram account, where she shared these photos signing the new documents for her new establishment with a caption which read in part, "Cheers to a brand new chapter beginning in phase of my life. I promise to give you great food, awesome drinks, and memorable experiences." Now, the restaurant, dubbed Doses, Jamaican and Everything, is named in honor of Tifa's grandmother as she plans on bringing a taste of the Caribbean to South Florida. Tifa is known for her hits Spell It Out and Jealous Over, a collab with Dexter Daps. Now to news where Dante Brooks, the 18-year-old son of dancehall entertainer Movado, was today convicted of murder. The verdict was handed down before the home circuit court. The teenager's co-accused, the 23-year-old Andre Hines, was also convicted. They are to be sentenced on March 12. The men were convicted for the murder and beheading of Lorenzo Thomas in Cassava Peace in St. Andrew on June 5 in 2018. That's it for E-Prime this evening. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.